Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you love really unique home decor, then you are going to love this throw pillow from COCO Marketplace.
This boho pillow cover comes in the 18 by 18 size, and I think it is one of the most unique looking throw pillows I have ever seen. It has so much detail work throughout the entire case, where there are some braided pieces, some tassels, and there really is just so much to look at here, and it makes it so unique. This pillow is so sturdy. It can withstand children and pets, which is great because my pets are always all over the couch. So I'm constantly looking for something that can stand up to constant jostling and movement. I really appreciate too how it has a hidden zipper in the back, so you're not seeing all this unsightly zipper when you are looking at your pillow. And the details on this are just so impressive to me. It looks like it could be hand done, and I think it is just absolutely gorgeous, especially the neutral colors of this one specifically really lend it to fit in with any home decor that you have, and is so easy to match with any of your other pillowcases that you have going on. I really just think they have done such an amazing job making such unique pieces that you are going to be proud to show off.
If you're ready to add in some new fun home decor, then go to COCO Marketplace. I highly recommend this pillow, and that is my point of view.